This section covers automotive basics, including engines, fuel and exhaust systems, brakes and steering, electrical components, and routine maintenance. Let's begin. Shock absorber's primary job is to dampen blank. A. Suspension spring oscillations. B. Engine vibration. C. Brake pad wear. D. Tire heat. Correct answer: suspension spring oscillations. A serpentine belt typically drives accessories such as the alternator, water pump, power steering pump, and blank. A. Distributor. B. Oil pan. C. Air conditioning compressor. D. Fan clutch. Correct answer: air conditioning compressor. The catalytic converter will not function efficiently until it reaches approximately blank. A. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 300 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 600 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct answer: 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Excessive play in a wheel bearing will usually be accompanied by blank. A. Squealing brakes. B. Tire cupping. C. Grinding noise. D. Engine knock. Correct answer: grinding noise. The disc brake component that clamps the rotor when the pedal is pressed is the blank. A. Caliper. B. Shoe. C. Drum. D. Booster. Correct answer: caliper. The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, valve routes fumes from the crankcase back to the blank. A. Exhaust pipe. B. Radiator. C. Intake manifold. D. Fuel tank. Correct answer: intake manifold. The fuel system component that keeps fuel pressure constant in a multi-port injection system is the blank. A. Fuel filter. B. Pressure regulator. C. Fuel rail. D. Fuel tank cap. Correct answer: pressure regulator. The purpose of a muffler's baffles is to blank. A. Enrich the fuel mixture. B. Reduce exhaust emissions. C. Cancel sound waves. D. Increase back pressure. Correct answer: cancel sound waves. The component that measures intake airflow in many fuel-injected engines is the blank. A. Throttle body. B. Idle air valve. C. Vacuum booster. D. Mass airflow sensor. Correct answer: mass airflow sensor. An engine with cylinders laid flat in two opposed banks is called a blank. A. V engine. B. Inline engine. C. Boxer engine. D. Rotary engine. Correct answer: boxer engine. A torque wrench is used to tighten a fastener to a precise blank. A. Length. B. Angle. C. Hardness. D. Force specification. Correct answer: force specification. A radiator cap raises the boiling point of the coolant by adding blank. A. Heat. B. Pressure. C. Air. D. Additives. Correct answer: pressure. The threaded fasteners that secure wheels to hubs are called blank. A. Rivets. B. Lug nuts. C. Cotter pins. D. Dowel pins. Correct answer, lug nuts.